Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Bolo Dil Se, and here you can easily see that I I made a channel and I made a content, and I'm sure you are all gonna like it content my content very much. And every day I'm trying my best, and I'm hoping that you are gonna learning and you are gonna growing each and every day. So here you can easily see that here are some word and some spelling, and now first I will 4 or 5 times I'm gonna translate this, and then I will tell you about, we will talk about Durandar, we will talk about Border True, and recently 2 or 3 I think good movies are coming, so we're gonna discuss about it, because Border is a emotion, okay, and Durandar is also, I'm thinking it's too good and tremendous movie which I'm thinking. So yes, we're gonna discuss about it, and I'm sure you're gonna like it. I'm sure you are gonna like it. You know me very well that here I am your here to. I just want to that everyone should speak English very consistently, very fluently. Life is too short. Make each and every moment count. So yes, we're gonna discuss about it. Antics, apprise, illusion, besides, bridal, beneficial, bore, bought, brought, catch. Look, we are discussing about it. Antics, apprise, illusion. Here are words and here are spelling and meanings. Okay, antics, apprise, illusion, beside, bradle, beneficial, bore, brought, catch. Here are spelling and there are some meanings in translate Hindi. Many content creator I know, they're gonna look. I won't judge anything. Okay, we will talk over surface. So okay, again I'm repeating first time, because I know my audience were 15-20 students, and I know you are not good enough to speak English. Okay, I know very well, and it's not a bad thing that people are recognize you that you are a bad English speaker, and people are recognizing you that you are not good able to English speaker. Look, it's a very little and short thing. Don't care too much, okay, and don't bother yourself and others that you are not able to a good English speaker. Okay, here I am. I will improve your English best. Okay, just we're gonna repeat once time. Antics, apprise, illusion, besides, bridal, beneficial, bore, bought, brought, catch. So I think antics. Now we will gonna make a sentence. Antics. He and antics. I think he is the. I think Johnny Lever antics this kind of role. Johnny Lever is the best example of this. Johnny Lever is an antique piece. Johnny, look, whenever I name a word Johnny Lever, and you can see that my automatically my face gonna smile, my face gonna bright and smile and shining, just because the name of in the name of Johnny Lever. Okay, so yes, we can easily see that Johnny Lever is the best comic character in this world. Okay, I think I can't describe. I have no words. I really have no words to describe Johnny Lever. Okay, antics, apprise, I think you should inform. Apprise is like inform. Inform is a, you have to inform them. You have to inform that you gonna in mess. You have to inform that you are in a trouble. You have to inform that you are in a stuck in this storm. You have to inform that today is no, you are gonna late, and because you have a lot of work to do here, so you have to inform them, so they're gonna understand and they won't bother you again and again. Okay. Illusion. I think he has a illusion. Illusion. I think he has a illusion that she has some kind of suffering. She is a, I think she is in a illusion that she is gonna trouble this kind of thing. She, some many people are saying that Govinda is a delusional. Many people are saying that Govinda are not fit to come back because they are delusional. I mean, look at their. I mean, you have guys any idea what kind of judgment you are giving? I mean, you are giving your opinion about Govinda. I mean, your mind is good, okay, your health is good. Many content creator I am seeing that making video about Govinda is a delusional. Govinda can't come back. He has an arrogance problem. He sit. I mean, you really have idea what you are saying. You really have idea what you are saying, huh? Just making fun of Govinda, huh? Just making judgment about Govinda. What kind of people you are? People who are making content creator, what kind of guys you think you are? I mean, you are judgmental about Govinda. Tremendous people you are, hilarious people you are. I have no word, speechless. You are. I think you should. I think if I have an Oscar, then I will go give to Oscar all the content creators who are making fun of Govinda, who are making judgmental about Govinda. That Govinda is a delusional. I mean, many content I can see in a content video in YouTube history that people are making half an hours video about Govinda is thinking he's a critically delusional. He's a critically, God helps you. I mean, people who are making judgmental about Govinda, I think really needs a psychiatrist. I'm telling you, people all who are just promoting that Govinda is a delusional and can't come back. He's of his his arrogance problem. I think you really need a psychiatrist problem, okay, and you really need a help. I'm telling you, okay, this is my prescription, okay. Besides bridal, beside, I think you have to sit beside him, okay. Besides, you have to avoid beside and take others. Bridal, you have to bridle this kind of language. You have to bridle that you can't afford this, okay. You have to admit that this is gonna be very very worthy, so you have to bridle your pocket, okay. Bridal, I think that girl is marrying to someone. She is going to purchase a very high value bridal things. She is going to purchase a very beauty cosmetic bridal things. She can borrow bridal, okay. This is how gonna be make sentence beneficial. She has a beneficial. She has a beneficial. She has a beneficial bore. She has a beneficial. Bore. I think bore. I think he's gonna bore. So he he's gonna bore that beneficial. He's gonna he's gonna bore. I think he will bore a child. He will bore a she's born. I mean, both he and she make a parents. So yes, don't confuse here. She born and he is father. She is mother. This is the normal basic English, and everyone should speak like this. I mean, just what kind of? I don't think so. You're gonna face problem. Okay, boat, boat. He bought something, and now he's gonna purchase. He brought. He will brought something. Catch. He catch. I think he's gonna catch them. So now, okay, we will make a enough sentence, and we had a very enough make sentence. Now we will talk about Durandar and Border 2. So I'm sure you all just liking Durandar. Yeah, it's now in theater in cinema. I mean, first of all, you tell me how many movies have you seen in your life? Just tell me. I mean, I'm your teacher, so you can write in a comment. So please, first of all, just like, share, and subscribe my channel. I think I am the finest content creator who are making English speaking very easily. Otherwise, all the making content creator you know very well. Okay. So first of all, like, share, and subscribe my channel, and just do comment whatever you want to do. Just comment. I mean, do whatever you want to do. Do whatever I'm giving you freedom to do whatever you want to do. Okay. So tell me, have you seen Durandar? Yes, okay. So just tell me, because I can see a teaser that I mean I can see a teaser that how gonna teaser work like that, and how gonna teaser how gonna movie gonna be like this. Okay, so I can easily say that there is a blockbuster, and I'm sure it's blockbuster. And of course, Border 2 is coming, and many reviewer are saying that people stop have to making Sunny Deol remove, because these are legendary movie. Ghayal, Ghatak, Damini, Jeet, Border, these are legendary movie. Gadar, these are legendary movie. So director stop have to making sequel after sequel, but they are doing it. And of course, Gadar 2 is also all-time blockbuster movie, but I can say that I not watched Gadar 2, but I will watch as soon as possible. And also I'm liking the movie The Border 2. The first Border we have seen Sunil Shetty, and now we are seeing his son in this movie. So let's see what gonna be happen, and let's see what what how it looks like, how it looks like. So yes, I'm sure you are gonna do just your opinion and your point of view about Dhurandhar and Border 2, because I think I can say these are one of the finest movie. And in 2026, now we are moving in 2000. You can believe it. Now we are moving in 2026, and now AI is gonna coming. So you have to prepare yourself 1,000 times better. So I'm telling you guys, always be prepared and grow each and every day you should prepare yourself, otherwise it's gonna be very hard to survive in this world, because there are a lot of distractions, I'm telling you. So just always be calm, be super cool, be supernatural, okay? And don't distract anything that you are first day you are resolution that now you will gonna do this, now you will gonna do this is your opportunity, this is your new year resolution. But after 4 or 5 days, what kind of resolution? I mean, you don't even remember that what you ate last night, and now you are resolution that you are gonna, yeah, this you gonna do this kind of thing in a whole year. So stop stop this nonsense, and also just tell your opinion about in my comment section, okay? So thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.